When creating a multi-app application using Lightrod Software's VisionDP, only a single form needs to be designed. Once completed, the user may define the multi-app specifications. Starting with a single card design, a project must be created in order to access the multi-app settings. I can create a project by going to File and selecting New Job. The Job Tree window allows the user to define many end-result job creation settings, but we will be focusing specifically on the multi-app settings for this tutorial. First, define a name for your new project. Expand the Options folder. And since this is a multi-app application, we need to define if the data records will advance for each business card. Double-click on the Advanced Record option and select No. Next, the output paper size that the cards will be printed on needs to be defined. Double-click on the Output Paper Size folder. Select Yes to enable more options. Double-click on the second option, currently defined as Custom. Select 8.5 by 11 from the drop-down menu. Next, we'll define the multi-app settings. Double-click on this option folder. Select Yes. Expand the multi-app folder. Change the number of rows by double-clicking on this option. Type the number of rows and click Enter. Double-click on the Columns option. Type 3 and press Enter. Next, I'll define how many times I want the data to be repeated so that the same record will be used on all cards on the page. Double-click on Data Repeat. Type 12 and press Enter. To define margin values, double-click on Margins. Select Yes from the drop-down menu to enable more options. Double-click on each margin option and change the dimensions by typing in a new value and pressing Enter. Next, the crop marks can be enabled by double-clicking on the Crop Marks folder. Select Yes from the drop-down menu. Once all the desired multi-app settings have been defined, click on the Create PDF button. The Create Print File menu will open. Click Save to save your PDF. Save the changes that have been made to your project file. Click OK to accept the default settings within the PDF creation menu. The multi-app business card application is now complete.